Today I'm sharing with you how to make mango lassi that is rich, creamy and delicious, as well as tips on how to make and adapt this recipe to suit your preferences. So let's get started. For making mango lassi you need 3/4 cup of mango pulp, half a cup of thick full-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup of whole milk, half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons sugar or a sweetener of your choice. I always use mango pulp, usually store-bought, but you can use fresh or frozen mango pieces instead of mango pulp, or pulp made from fresh mangoes. Pulp made from sweet ripe mangoes works really good, so you won't have to add as much of a sweetener like sugar. Then as a general rule, I use equal quantity of fruit pulp, in this case mango pulp, and dairy, which is yogurt and milk, for making lassi. This works best for retaining the flavor of the fruit in the lassi, but you can adjust this to suit your preference. Also, I use double the quantity of yogurt to milk, as this gives me the perfect creamy consistency I want. But you can alter this based on your preference and add more yogurt for a creamier consistency or more milk for a thinner consistency. And in addition to milk, I also thin out my lassi with water because I use full fat milk. But if you're using low fat milk, you can always thin out the lassi with just milk. How much to thin out is really up to you based on your preference. I've shared the measurements for a lassi that is rich and creamy while not being too thick, and that will be easy to drink even with a straw. Then for making the lassi, just blend all the ingredients together in a blender till they get well combined. It's best to chill the lassi for an hour or so in the fridge before garnishing and serving it. But for now I'm garnishing it to serve it right away. And I'm garnishing this lassi with elaichi powder, some saffron strands and crushed pistachios. But you can go with whatever you prefer. Of course, all of the garnishing is optional because the lassi would taste delicious just as is. And there you have it. Rich, creamy and delicious mango lassi. Serve it along with or right after a spicy Indian meal and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!